So I'm going to let this sit on my hair for about 30 minutes. And then I will come back and do a check just to see how it's progressing. And then after my 30 minutes, if it's not what I like or what I desire, then I'll just put it back on my hair for another 20-25 minutes. And then I'll come back and do another check again. So stay tuned for my first 30-minute check. So hey, I'm back. This is the first, my timer just went off. So this is the first 30-minute check. I'm so nervous. Okay, let's see what this hair is doing. Okay. It's getting there, I guess. Slowly but surely getting there. This is my second 30-minute color check. I'm so nervous. I don't know why I'd be so nervous when I have to check this. Let's see. Okay. So this is it. It doesn't look that blonde to me. It just looks brown, I guess. So this is just what it looks like. So hey everyone, I am freshly out of the shower. I just washed my hair, washed the dye out my hair. But I just want to come on here so you guys can see the results. This is what the results are. It did not come out as I expected it to. It basically is spotty in certain areas. I don't know, you guys can see certain areas or like still black. Certain areas didn't come out, you know, as I expected it to. This is just the back. Yeah. So, I'm not a big fan of it. I mean, it's okay, but it's not how I wanted it to look. And I kind of figured that it was going to look a little blotchy because I'm going from golden blonde to a blonde, like a really, really golden honey blonde. So I kind of figured that the transformation was going to be a little effed up. But, nevertheless, it, you know, everything else came out pretty fine. I kind of have like a, I don't know what you call this right now, but I mean, it's cool. I mean, I'm not in love with it, but I think I'll grow to tolerate it. So 3 months from now, I'm going to go back in and hit it one more time. Just re-dye the whole thing one more time. So I'm just going to give my hair some time to breathe, grow out a little bit, you know, get its moisture back and all that extra stuff before I go in again and touch it up. But I'm thinking about touching it up 3 months from now, so all the blotchy spots that I didn't get, I can get it in the next go around, and hopefully my hair will come out like this. All of it will come out looking like the front right here. But that is just the result so far. That is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for staying tuned. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for keeping your girl company. Until the next video, I will see you guys. If you have any comments, anything, put that down below, and I'll see you in the next video. I'm out.